Manufacturers constantly look for ways to improve efficiency, reduce noise, and simplify automation systems. That's where PhD air-on-demand solutions come in. These innovative, electric-powered systems provide a smarter alternative to traditional pneumatic setups, delivering quiet, efficient, and customizable air or vacuum generation without relying on conventional factory air systems. First is the Series ERDP remote drive. The ERDP is designed to electrically power pneumatic actuators like grippers, clamps, and short-stroke cylinders. Using a closed-loop system, it reuses compressed air rather than exhausting it, increasing efficiency while eliminating the need for a central air supply. It operates just like a standard pneumatic valve, can power multiple actuators at once, and delivers up to 100 psi of operating pressure. The system can even be programmed to mimic typical actuator behavior, such as grip and release, while maintaining consistent force. For applications requiring long gripping or clamping intervals, an optional motor brake can further reduce energy consumption. Next is the Series ERPP pneumatic pump. Unlike the ERDP's closed-loop system, the ERPP generates compressed air on demand for standard open-loop pneumatic systems. Using servo-driven pistons, it fills an accumulator and automatically maintains air pressure up to 87 psi. Think of it as a compact, quiet air compressor that provides point-of-use pressurized air exactly where it's needed. It works with standard valves, air lines, and filters, and pairs with an external accumulator to create a compressed air reservoir. Compared to traditional pancake-style compressors, it operates with significantly reduced noise and can be customized for specific applications. Finally, the Series ERVG vacuum generator. The ERVG produces vacuum on demand for suction cups and pick-and-place devices. Instead of compressing air, it uses servo-driven pistons to rarefy air and generate up to 24 inches of mercury of vacuum. This system replaces noisy and inefficient Venturi vacuum generators with a cleaner, electric-driven solution. It integrates easily with standard valves and air lines and can even evacuate an external accumulator to create a vacuum reservoir, all while improving energy efficiency and reducing noise. Together, these units create a flexible, electric-driven, air-on-demand ecosystem that supports both pressure and vacuum applications efficiently and quietly. PhD. Let's solve your automation challenges together.